Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. This video will provide all vital information about the Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement which India and United States signed during the recent 2+2 dialogue meeting which was held on October 27, 2020. India and the United States signed the Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement for Geospatial Coordination. And this agreement is an important achievement which would open up new avenues in information sharing between India and the United States. The Indo-US Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement for Geospatial Cooperation pertains to exchange of geospatial intelligence information for use by the governments for defense and other purpose. To be more precise, this agreement is aimed at sharing the geospatial information including the maps, the nautical and aeronautical charts. Using this agreement, India will be allowed to use the United States' expertise on geospatial intelligence and to enhance the military accuracy of automated hardware systems like the weapons of cruise, ballistic missiles and drones. So as I mentioned above, the Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement will give India access to extremely accurate geospatial data that will have several military applications. India is for sure going to get a bigger advantage as it would get access to military-grade data that can be used to plot target coordinates that could help directing the long-range navigation missiles to targets with enhanced accuracy. It is also a key step for India when it comes to acquiring the armed drones such as the MQ-9B Reaper from the United States. Another good thing is that this agreement signing comes at a time when India is locked in one of its most hostile standoffs with China along the disputed border in the Himalayan region. Also, based on such close cooperation with the United States, it will also help the United States in bringing India more close to it and start doing more weapons dealing rather than going to Russia. Also, another thing which India should be cautious of is regarding not exposing these technologies and information to Russia. A maritime information agreement is also under active deliberation between the India and the United States, since there has been a sharp increase in India's maritime interactions with the Quad countries like Australia, Japan, and the United States. So I'm sure this Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement will allow India to use the United States' expertise on geospatial intelligence and to enhance accuracy of weapons like cruise, ballistic missiles and drones. And also such agreements would allow India and the United States to act together and get into a better position to shape the regional and global environment in favor of peace and stability. So that was a quick update on what advantage will India get based on the Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement with the United States. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.